Hey guys, welcome back to Math School. Today I'll be attempting the sixth question from the IAL Pure Mathematics P1 module, the new one, sat in June 2021. So without further ado, let's get started. The curve C has equation y is equal to f of x, okay, and x is greater than 0. They have given us 2 points. C passes through the point P, 8 and 2. So this point passes through the region, you can say that. And then the next part is the f dash of x is equal to 32 upon 3x square plus 3 minus 2 root of 3x. Okay, and they ask us to find the equation to the tangent to C at P. We answer in the form of y equal to mx plus c, and m and c are constants to be found. So starting off with the first part, let's just draw here. Okay, now what they have given is the point. They have given us the point 8 2, which will be very useful, and they have given us the equation. Now to find the gradient from an equation, actually we don't have the f of x, we have the f dash of x, and they have already mentioned that the f dash of x as a gradient, as I told you in the earlier videos, that f dash of x of any f of x is a gradient of it. So what I'll do is I'll just plug this x value into that to find the gradient first. So f dash of 8 will be 32 upon 3 8 square plus 3 minus 2 uh, and 3 root 8. Okay, and I'll find that this is equal to minus 5 upon 6. Now the reason I'll not take the negative reciprocal of it is because it is the tangent to C, because the default is the tangent and the normal is to be changed. So the default is the tangent value only. So now what I'll do is I'll just use this formula to find the equation y minus y naught equal to mx minus x naught. We know the points, the 2 points 8 and 2, and we know the gradient. So this will be y minus 2 into 5 into 6 x minus 8. Now what I'll do is I just multiply the brackets out. That's minus 5 upon 6, and that's a positive 20 over 3. When I multiply 5 into 6 into minus 8. And now to find y, I'll just take this 2 over that side. So I just raise it there. And now y is equal to minus 5 upon 6 x plus 26 over 3. So this is the equation we are looking for. That's in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Yes, so that's our 3 marks, easily scored. And now coming on to the b part, which is find in simplest form f of x. So we already have f dash of x. In this case we have to integrate it. So our b part will go like this. I'll just write the f dash of x first, so that when I scroll down I don't have to go back up. That's the root of x. Now what I'll do is I'll just simplify this first. So f dash of x again, 32 over 3 x to the power minus 2. So I took the denominator, took the x from the denominator and put it back into the numerator, so its power changes, plus 3 minus 2 cube root of x. So cube root of x is a value of x to the power 1 upon 3. So this will become 2x 1 upon 3. Now what we'll do is this time we'll integrate it. So integrating it separately is useful now. Minus 2. So this will be the power gets added and then gets divided by the same number. So this is the formula. So what I'll do is I'll just erase this and I'll just add a positive 1. I'll just add a positive 1. So this will be 32 upon 3x minus 1 minus, because minus 1 was divided by 32 over 3. So this has become minus 32 over 3. And now the second one, integrating 3. So as you remember that integrating a constant puts back the x here. so the x value gets regenerated, and now integrating 2x to the power 1 upon 3. So this will become x to the power 4 upon 3 by adding 1, and 2 divided by 4 upon 3 will become 3 upon 2. So there you go. And now putting back those together, so let me just erase this. There you go. And now what I'll do is remember to add a c here, because we don't know the c, the constant, but we will find it now by we have the point 8 and 2, right? So we know the y, we know the y and the x values. Let me just erase this and put them into their respective places. So remove the x's here, and now I'll just paste them in. This will be 2, this will be 8, this will be 8 too. So when I plug the value into the calculator for this part, I find that this is equal to minus 4 upon 3, and then I'll just add a c here, and this will be equal to 2. So now to find c, what I'll do is just take this thing to the other side of the equation, and this will be 2 plus 4 upon 3 plus c. Now just simple thing, add these together, and we find that the c value is 10 upon 3. I'll come back to my equation. Okay, so I'll just remove this thing, and I'll say that this is equal to f of x, and add a c value, and there you go. That is our answer right here. Minus 32, sorry, 3. Oops. When I took the f dash of x value, let me just clear it. So this is our final value. That was f dash of x, sorry, I just misunderstood that one. So yeah, that was f of x, and we have done the gradient part and formed the f of x in the simplest form. So there's a 8 total marks easily scored. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos from this series.